my channel. Today we are going to unbox something. It will be kind of boring, making a video with an unboxing and everything. So let's go. Today I am going to unbox something that you won't believe. Oh wait, you already saw the thumbnail. Anyway, we are going to unbox and review the iPhone 12 Pro Max 5G. Such a long name. Not only are we going to look at this iPhone 12, we are also going to compare it with the iPhone 11 Pro Max from 2019. First, let's talk about the box. The box is a wee bit taller but a lot thinner than the former. Now for the grand reveal. iPhone openings have always been brief, but welcome to the next level. The phone, satisfying. We'll talk about that in a second. Now, all it comes with is a couple of leaflets, same ejector tool, and a single Apple sticker. Come on, Apple. And also the power cable. That's it. Literally. No cable, no earphones this time. We have our ceramic shield on the front, so it's stronger than last year. The camera also pops out a bit more. Mostly because we have a larger sensor, so that's why. And you see this tiny little dot, that's the LiDAR scanner, okay? And this tiny little dot is the microphone for the front thing. We also have a matte finish, so if you're into like tidiness, you don't need to worry about fingerprints getting everywhere, but you have to worry about fingerprints getting on the side because they are made of stainless steel. The side rims are so polished. We have a 6.7-inch display. Last year's was 6.5 inch. It is also water splash and dust resistant up to like 6 meters deep for 30 minutes, which is cool. So if you ever drop your phone in water, you don't need to worry about it for 30 minutes. It has more clicky buttons than last year. Very clickier.
It's faster and taller than last year. This year we have 2.5 optical zoom versus last year's 2 optical zoom. This year we can take night mode portraits, which is surprisingly bright. The SIM card slot is on this side this time.
Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more videos. And if this video gets 100 likes, I will do a camera comparison with the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the 11 Pro Max. So stay tuned, okay? If I get 100 likes. Bye.